So today you join us down at Precious Towers and we're doing a really cool thing. Jeff over there is going to do a time lapse of building a jet wash for you so you can see exactly what goes into building one of our alpha machines for you to use. This one is a Honda GX390, gearbox driven, 21 litre 200 bar. This is one of our most popular wheel machines that we do. What makes this so popular? Well, it's simple things like proper pump. This thing, if you look at it compared to my hand, is an absolute weapon. This is an A&R 21 litre or W series pump. You've got a proper gearbox on it and a genuine, don't get conned by the fakes, genuine Honda GX390. We then build this with an easy start valve, an RTT unloader valve. For those who don't know what RTT is, it means return to tank. It's return to tank unloader valve with a quick fasten bypass. You've then got full inch stainless steel inlet with inch filter. And look at the size of this, Jeff. Check that out. What a weapon. We now got recording light on, Jeff. Let's try. Has that got background defocus? Background defocus is on. So if I go close, it'll zoom in on that. It doesn't zoom in on you. Right then, Jeff. She's all yours, mate.